Acne scar removal. Home remedies. Acne is the most common skin problem in adolescent and early adult human life, mainly generated by higher levels of the reproductive hormone testosterone, which takes place in both male and female during the onset of puberty. The normal disappearance of acne scars varies greatly from person to person, and the trend cannot be predicted by any means. Excessive scratching, infection in the acne, or even other bruises lead to acne scars. Sometimes, chronic acne also leads to scars. Remedy. 1. Sandalwood and Rosewater pack. These are the two most common remedy for acne scar removal. The mixture of sandalwood paste and rosewater can be applied over the whole face or the infected area as a face mask. The paste must be allowed to dry for an hour or more. Overnight application is best, and then washed off with cold water. The sandalwood soothes and cools the acne wound, providing relief. Remedy. 2. Fenugreek. Fenugreek solution and fenugreek leaf paste are equally effective for acne scar removal. The fenugreek seeds can be boiled in water to prepare a solution that soothes the acne scars. Remedy. 3. Olive oil. For acne scar removal, massage a few drops of olive oil daily over the infected areas. This moisturizing agent not only reduces acne scar, it improves the skin texture as well. Remedy. 4. Cucumber. Apply cucumber paste on the skin and for its cooling effects and removing acne scars. It will improve the elasticity of skin, making the skin supple, young and smooth. Remedy. 5. Lemon or limes. Lemon juice or lime juice can be administered over acne wounds with the help of a cotton pad or ball. The juice lightens the scarred skin, removing the appearance of dark acne spots. The skin must soak up the juice properly before washing it with cold water. Remedy. 6. Egg white. Use of egg whites as a face mask can be very beneficial for removing acne scars. Overnight application is recommended. It can be washed away with cold water later on. This works like magic in acne scar healing and reducing skin inflammation. If one is comfortable, he or she can mix a few drops of lemon juice with egg white and then apply it. Extra home remedies. Apart from this, one can try and apply aloe vera on a regular basis on the skin too. You can try applying potato juice on the scars. A paste made from apricots can also help to lighten the skin and remove the signs of scars.